Looking for creative ways to decorate your garden? Well, you're in the right place. This video will provide you with easy and imaginative DIY garden decor ideas. No matter your skill level, these tips are for you. Stay tuned for some amazing ideas to give your garden a stunning makeover. Our first idea is as simple as it is charming: painted stones. Start by selecting smooth garden stones. Clean them thoroughly, then choose a weather-resistant paint. Let your creativity flow by painting designs or messages. These colorful stones will add a personal touch to your garden. Next up, we have a DIY bird bath. Begin with a large saucer and a sturdy stand, perhaps an old lamp base or plant stand. Place it in a shaded spot and remember to keep it clean. This lovely bird bath will not only beautify your garden, but also attract beautiful birds. Our third idea is a creative and eco-friendly bottle cap wind chime. Start by gathering up some bottle caps, then drill a hole in each one. String them together in a design that suits your style. This wind chime will not only add a whimsical touch to your garden, but also create a soothing sound. These were just a few DIY garden decor ideas to get you started. Painted stones, a DIY bird bath, and a bottle cap wind chime can transform your garden. Why not give them a try? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such creative ideas. Happy gardening!